Okay, I rebuilt some cars in my day, and I think normally you put the hubcaps on, or you put the air filter cover on and spin that nut down and finish that project. And on the guitar, normally you put the strap buttons on to finish that project, right? I'm gonna finish this project up by putting this frame around this workbench and getting it all flat and level, and maybe wipe another little layer of stain on it after I get it done. So hey, let's go for it, okay? Y'all ready? Let's go for it. Let's see what that. So I'm just gonna glue it with Elk Tight Bond. Best thing I know to do, and I'm not gonna put a whole lot in there. I mean, once you see how this fits, you'll understand why I'm not gonna put a whole lot in here. Okay, so what we got is we got a really nice tight corner right here that goes in between here and here. And what I have to find to do, I have to get it in this corner, and then on this far side over here, I got to wedge it just a little bit, and then over here I got to pinch it out just a little bit to get it to slide. See, there it goes, down on that end. I'm gonna go over here and get this side. I'm gonna pull this just a little bit, take it, slide it down. Pull this just a little bit, slide it down. Now, we're going to put glue in there in a few minutes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glue under here. And so if I get any push out, it's going to be down and not up, because I want the glue to go down here and not have to worry about it coming up here on the top. So let's get a neat little bead right along the bottom right there. Okay, we better go before the glue slips up on us. We better go. Okay, that top looks good and it's all tight, ready to go. I'm going to sand around all the edges around here and put another coat of this walnut on here. Sand this and put another coat of walnut on it. That ought to finish it up. After that, it's all benches and dogs and all that good stuff. So then we got to go to work. So hey, let's get busy. Okay, let's put that final coat of that dark stain on this outside rim. Got a soft piece of t-shirt, nice clean old t-shirt here. I used to make a rag a while ago. We're just gonna coat all the trim real good here one more time. Kind of take it easy on it. See if we can make it look pretty. Okay, we'll come around and get that side. All right. Now we're going to do this. Then we're just going to sit down the floor and do this. Be easier on going back. At least it's all straight. You see this area right here behind this vise? I don't see any reason in the world not to make it dark too. So I'm going to pull that all the way back, dust that off, and when I get there I'm going to darken it. Okay everybody, that concludes the workbench. I know you'll see more of it as I do projects to add on to it and put projects on it to work on it. I've got an acoustic going on it tomorrow to get done. I want to get it out of here by Monday. So hey, time to use this workbench and get some things done, but I got the workbench knocked out. If you want to know more about how to build it, go back through the other things. If you need a list of materials to build this thing or an idea how it goes together, just look at it. It's easy, it's simple. It's a sheet of MDF, a sheet of plywood, and I use screws. The other people that don't use staples and glue. I use glue, but I use screws with it because, well, ain't nothing like getting screwed real good. You know that? Hey, y'all be good, stay out of trouble. See you on the next one, and hey, remember this, God loves you and so do I, and you can't take it with you. You surely can't. So hey, buy some new tools or build some tools, or buy a guitar or build a guitar, or just take your wife out to eat dinner somewhere nice. Hey, be good guys, see you on the next one, okay? Later. Spike out.